That's a beautiful picture. No. No. That's such a silly fail. Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that, but if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go. Hi guys, here's me Anna, and I'm right here just to trade on a Quotex platform. Today we will try to use the strategy that frequently used on the stock markets, and we're just gonna adapt it with the periods mostly, with some type of indicators and everything. You can just check it. For sure, I've been testing it, and if I'm being honest, of course, that looks just the regular strategy on the binary options with the favorite indicators. But anyway, that type of strategy been frequently used, just as I told you before, on the stock markets. And this is just, I don't know, maybe an attempt to combine everything in one lovely binary options. Let's start. And let's get it on. 1 minute right there. 720 right there. And currency pairs NIFI. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful. And plus I'm gonna be using 15 seconds candles. Oh, such a pleasure. You know, it seems like I'm on a vacation. And you will now see, not now, but kind of soon see all the indicators, the bunch of it, and you may actually feel how that's gonna be beautiful. This is like the summer heat. This is like the summer night in the trading, because CCI, MACD, and a fractal. Yes, that's like the cocktail. I love that idea. There's all these indicators, and as a strategy, it's like the cocktail. I love that. Somebody's missing part in. Seems like it. Let's go, guys. Let's use it. Look at that. I love this period of the MACD way more than something like 7 or 8 sometimes. And I think right there it's going to be kind of good and nicely working. And thanks God CCI right there giving us more info. I think we're going to be rising. That's just the bottom. And MACD going to be reacting. Yep, right there just a little bit later. You may see that the first period, the first point when actually CCI gave us info that it's gonna be the rising happened way earlier than the MACD actually reacted. Even with the candles, I'm not talking about the lines at all. So that's the nice combo. That's the best combo. I love that. So 10 seconds left, and we are nicely, safely getting to our profit with the full bank. Yep, and with the 15 seconds, there is no jumping, no threatening. You just slowly moving to your profits, slowly moving to your $1,000. How about that? How about this peak? And right after I said that, you know that it's going to be the just sliding, that's going to be the falling CCI in the upper part of its own chart, MACD lines trying to get crossed and green line trying to get below, MACD candles trying to get, it is not the perfect situation because you may see some volatility situation, and the MACD candles are the best, actually the best tool to see that it's been not so normal because it is flat, it is switching, and we need to understand that it may be not so perfectly clear as we wanted, because there is the situation where we actually, yeah, you can see with that damn candles. But I do expect anyway that it's going to be the sliding downward, and this, oh my god, no, jumping as we wanted, as we promised. Go. that was harsh. That was, yes. Still, just as I told you, that's the volatility, and we need to be prepared actually to any result, but we got lucky. And here, this is us. This is us, I think, finishing the upward trend and trying to start the downward one. And look at these MACD candles, not the typical situation. We don't expect the crossing, we just expect that it's going to be the touching and then getting back. Let's see. That's the beautiful picture. That's the beautiful picture, just to wait for the result of that trading of that bat. Been thinking, already counting. No, that's the nice one. Nice one. Just once again, it seemed like it's been volatility way before, but we are getting in the better area with the normal MACD candles. I think that's the peak and we're going to be rising, but you may see that before falling. But you may see that before that rising wasn't so perfectly clear, but then CCI showing to us kind of long falling already. That's not so good, because it's better to enter just at the moment when it's just started. Because being in the middle, that's a little bit like risky. Right there, MACD candles turned red, lines of the MACD trying to cross and the green line trying to get downward. But I don't like these green candles. I don't need that. Let's stop playing on my nerves. No. No. Do I need to invent something? Do I need to apologize? Do I need to just get so mad? Because it is sliding now. We still have some money on the account, so we gotta continue just with one more bet. That was the nicest one. I was the prettiest girl on this planet. So satisfied, so happy. That's such a silly fail. Let's focus. Let's try one more, and let's enter a little bit earlier than it was with the previous one. And sometimes, guys, when you look at the chart and it seems to you, oh my god, that's so obvious, that may be a little bit late, because you need to be in advance. You need to be earlier than the market. Like right there. I hope so, because there is none of the signals from the MACD or CCI, such as getting downward. But I just do think that we are gotta get downward. That's the peak, and we gotta get downward. Yes, and now CCI, and now MACD, just getting us like, yes. That was such a shame. With this previous one. I know that it happens. Oh, thanks God. I know that happens, and that happens every day and every time. But sometimes you just want to be so perfect in the video. That was so perfect. That was so amazingly good and working. And what just happened? Let's forget about that. Let's imagine that everything was perfect. And guys, I just want to tell you, I just want to show you by leaving, actually, not deleting, but just leaving all of these videos, all of that fail attempts in my videos, that even with the perfect strategy, even with the perfect you, even with the perfect market, anything could happen. Sometimes you're just getting distracted. Sometimes you just spend, I don't know, maybe an extra second on deciding, and this extra second just actually killed you. So don't be disappointed. Don't be desperate. That happens, and you're just gonna go on.